So I got the air duster from LotaTools. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your item, how to actually work this, and then a live demo of me using it so you know exactly what to expect when your product arrives. Here's what you get. You get the device itself, and you also get the charging cord, which is just your average, just kind of phone charger. So it'll work on any power block that you have. How to use is super, super easy. So back here, you can have different speeds. You can switch whatever you want. And let me tell you, they call this thing an air duster, but it is more like a mini leaf blower. It's super strong. But once you got your speed, all you gotta do is hold it down like a trigger, and I'll start blowing for you. So I'm gonna go outside and demo this right now so you have a good understanding of what this is like in action. All right, so here's my back porch. I got a bunch of leaves on it, so I'm gonna get them all blown into my yard so I can rake them up. Got it on. Really just hold it down. And here is the final product. This thing is awesome. It makes getting rid of leaves super easy. It would work perfect too if you like washing your car, just to give it a quick little air dry. Really, however you want to use this. It's super powerful. I can clean off my patio now. The birds kind of do a number, but this is awesome. Easy to use, easy to charge, a bunch of different speeds. So you can use this in a bunch of different ways. Kind of whatever you need it for, it should work well. So I give this thing 2 thumbs up.